Traders, FS Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, in the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as a nice 1, 2, 3 pattern. We are at the 178.6, which is definitely an area where wave 3 could end. If it does decide to end the wave 3, it's still probably going to have to make a wave 4 and then push up at least one more time for a wave 5. But this wave 4 is probably going to last at least a minimum of 6 months once we confirm that it is in a wave 4. Going down to the weekly time frame, the weekly time frame is definitely pushing down a little bit as you can see, but until we actually get a nice significant break of structure to the downside on these higher time frames, at least the daily and the weekly, I am definitely still very bullish. I honestly would not be surprised at all if it did just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, especially on the pound yen, this really looks like a 1, 2, 3. I still think there's a chance this move down could be a wave 4. I still think there's a chance we may get a Fibonacci bounce and another push up for a wave 5. Now, I am definitely looking for sorts on sort of time frames because the daily time frame definitely did turn down. We definitely do have a break of sorts on the daily, so as a roadmap time frame, the daily is definitely telling me to look for sorts on sort of time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, the last real major structure level is actually way up here. That's actually going to prove that the correction is over. But if this actually makes, that 3, 4, 5 shape, makes a Fibonacci bounce, makes a break of structure down here like that, that is definitely going to caused me to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. If I do not see this picture, then instead I will just keep on looking for shorts. And if I'm looking for shorts and it just keeps on going down, that is definitely not going to cause me any issues. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm definitely looking for shorts. What I'm looking for is one, two, three waves to the upside. If I see that three wave shape, that A, B, C shape, I see like a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure with a lower high, preferably with a Fibonacci bounce also, then that is exactly what I would be looking for more entries to go short. If it goes down and respects that 50% again, then turns up and breaks structure, I will definitely then start looking for longs again. If instead it just keeps on trending down, I'll just hold on to my short and just enjoy the profit and enjoy the trend because the trend is your friend. So, as always, thank you and happy trading.